No capital? No problem. How I built my business from zero. Starting a business with zero capital? It might sound impossible, but it's not. In this video, I'm going to share my step-by-step journey of how I built a successful business from absolutely nothing, and how you can do it too. You don't need a fortune to start a business. You just need the right strategy, a bit of creativity, and a lot of hard work. Stick with me till the end because I'm revealing the secrets that turned $0 into a thriving business. The first step wasn't about business ideas or strategies. It was about shifting my mindset. I had to stop thinking about what I lacked and start focusing on what I had. My skills, my time, and my determination were worth more than money. Mindset is everything, and once I changed mine, doors began to open. The second step was leveraging free resources. I didn't have money to hire a designer, so I used free tools like Canva to create professional branding. I didn't have money for a website developer, so I used platforms like Wix and WordPress to build my website at no cost. The key here is creativity. Use what's available to you, even if it's free. Instead of diving straight into selling products, I offered services. Because services require very little upfront investment, I started offering consulting and freelance services based on my expertise. I used platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and gradually built my client base. This approach allowed me to start making money immediately without needing to invest a cent. One of the biggest advantages I had was the power of social media. I used platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and even YouTube to connect with potential clients. I didn't need to spend money on ads. I focused on building valuable content, sharing my expertise, and creating a strong online presence. Social media is a free marketing tool that can take your business from zero to thriving. Next up was networking. You can't build a business alone. I started building relationships by attending local events, joining online communities, and connecting with people who shared my vision. Whether it was through virtual meetups or in-person networking, I focused on providing value to others, and in turn, they became my clients and collaborators. Networking is essential when you're building from nothing. As my business grew, I focused on reinvesting the profits. Instead of splurging, I put every penny back into the business, whether it was for better tools, paid ads, or expanding my services. Slow and steady growth was the key. I didn't rush the process. I allowed my business to build organically, and it paid off. Finally, I had to trust the process. There were no shortcuts. Starting a business with zero capital requires a lot of patience, consistency, and persistence. There were times I doubted myself, but I kept pushing forward. Faith and trusting God's timing kept me going. Success doesn't come overnight, but it does come if you're consistent. So, if you're sitting there wondering if you can start a business with zero capital, the answer is yes, you absolutely can. Take action today. Start small, trust the process, and let your faith guide you. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a business from scratch. Your success story could be just around the corner.